Hello, Willie Brown students. My name is Miss Sherman. I am your technology coach. I might have met a few of you when you picked up your computers last week. Welcome to Tech Thursdays. In this lesson, we're going to be going over Zoom etiquette and we're going to test your knowledge to see what you remember about turning in assignments in Google Classroom. Without any further ado, let's get to your lesson. Okay, so our tech challenge for this week is whole class participation. How are we going to do whole class participation? As you may have noticed in some of your classes, some people have their cameras on, some people have their cameras off, and that we're going to talk about today. But for your challenge today, we are going to be using Nearpod. Nearpod, if you haven't used it before, you will be using it in this classroom. And you see at the very bottom of my screen, they've got a couple little people hanging out down there, and it's got the number 0. Well, that's going to tell your teacher how many of you are actually on Nearpod. And over here is going to show your names if you are contributing to the conversation. So that will be the challenge for today. If there are 8 people in your advisory, your teacher will wait to see that there's an 8 number that pops up in that bottom left-hand corner. So we're going to do this all together. But for this video, I'm just going to go over some Zoom norms. How do you participate in your virtual classrooms? What does that look like, right? Online learning is a little different than learning in the classroom. So let's see what that looks like. We're also going to do a Google Classroom review on turning in assignments after we do a few activities in Nearpod. Without further ado, how to show up in your Zoom. I am coming to you in the form of an avatar. Unfortunately, I do not think your Chromebooks allow for that, but let's talk about ways you can show up. So you can turn on your camera. We would love to see everybody's face. So unless your adult has contacted your advisor and let them know that, hey, there's a situation going on at home, we cannot turn on our camera. It is expected that all Willie Brown students will be turning on your camera. That being said, some of you may step away. Totally fine to step away. Make sure you use a coffee emoji to let your instructor know that you're taking a break and take away that coffee emoji when you come back. Another way to participate is dropping in on the chat. If your teacher is asking a question and maybe you don't want to respond with a video, you can drop an answer in the chat. You can also communicate any questions outside of class by emailing your teachers as well. On camera tips. If you live in a busy household like I do, where there are animals and babies running behind your camera, you might want to pick a corner. That limits the amount of people that are going to walk by or Zoom bomb you while you're in class. Also, you can make a shelf. You can stack some books on top of each other to make sure the camera's at the right angle so you can see everybody as well as type. If you're like me and you're not really comfortable seeing yourself on camera, you can go ahead and turn that off in your Zoom settings. So, to recap, ways to participate in your classroom. You can do emojis if they're asking for thumbs up. Please give your teachers some thumbs up. You can type in the chat. You can do hand gestures, whether you're on camera and you want to give a thumbs up, or whether you are going to use the emoji in the typing section. Go ahead and use the chat to contribute, as well as another way to communicate what's going on at home or any questions about the lesson that your teacher is giving you. Send them an email or give them a call. We are all here to help. The bottom line with Zoom is please come as you are. We're all going through rough times together, and just seeing you can make a teacher's day. So please make a teacher's day today. That's all I have for this week's tech tutorial. Stay tuned next week to see what's coming your way, and have a great day, Willie Brown.